guys, my name is Brandon Chestnut. We're here at the Catalina Wine Mixer and want to walk you through my 2011 F250 that is fully set up for overlanding and is loaded out with Dakota Lithium batteries. So let's check out the first system. First, this is our main system that powers predominantly everything, and it's ran by two 12-volt 100 amp hour Dakota Lithium batteries in parallel, making a 200 amp hour system. We have a 1200 watt Phoenix inverter, full electrical panel, a Victron, a BMV 712 battery monitor, and a Zamp 170 watt panel. And we also have a full water pump, 20 gallons of onboard water. Everything pretty much lives on this side. And then if you come around to the back side, we have our new Dakota Lithium power boxes. We have two of them, a 60 amp hour power box and a 135 amp hour power box. These power boxes are fully IP67 waterproof. They have a 300 watt power inverter on the inside, which peaks up to 600 watts, two AC plugs, four USBs, and then on the outside of the box, you have additional USB-C and two terminals. And these boxes are great for when you're in the woods, on the water, pretty much anything. These boxes are pretty much built by outdoorsmen for outdoorsmen. And then if you loop around to the back side of the camper, we have the big system. We have a 12-volt, 277 amp hour battery and a Dakota Lithium 1500 watt inverter. We use this just as auxiliary power. We've used it to AC, fans run at the range like today, or just whatever we need lots of power for a long time. This is what this battery is for. So this truck's fully loaded, and whatever we need it for, we have power for days.